Step 1. Firstly, switch the microscope on. Ensure that the light control rheostat is rotated to minimum or off position. Move the platform away from the objective lens and secure sustained and mounted preparation on the platform. Step 2. Select the times-10 objective and adjust the eyepiece separation until a single circle view. Check that any fitted supplementary condenser lens is in the light path. Step 3. Watching from the level of the stage, bring the stage up towards the objective lens using the larger wheel known as coarse focus control. Complete adjustment using the smaller wheel known as fine focus wheel. Step 4. Close the field diaphragm using the wheel control on it. Carefully rack the condenser up and down using the condenser wheel until an image of the field diaphragm is formed. This will appear as a black outline impinging on the field of view. Ideally, the inner aspect of this circle should be sharp. Then open the field diagram so that the black circle is just absent from the field view. This enhances image quality. Step 5. Close the condenser diaphragm using the slider and gradually open up the diaphragm again until the point is reached where the preparation is adequately illuminated and the image remains only slightly refractile. Step 6. The microscope is now set up using ×10 objective, enabling a clear image. However, for ×40 and ×100 objective, it is important to repeat step 2 and 4 to ensure correct illumination. Thank you for watching.